back on the Scion TC. We have Jason. Today we're going to be installing a smart streaming video mirror dash cam by Pormido. Now, what's really great with this is you pretty much just mount it right there and you get a dash cam. So who doesn't want that?
All right.
Oh, look at the way it folds.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa, look at that.
Like a premium product.
What does it say on the little the mirror?
Welcome to use this driving recorder.
Okay.
And some little tips.
I kind of noticed like there's a blue tint to it. Should help out with the reflections.
Does it?
It looks like it.
Wow, it's really thin. Wow, that's really thin.
Oh shoot! Can I see the back of it?
Yeah. So you got your.
Yo, that lens is massive. People don't want to do anything in your car when you have that massive lens right there.
And then this is the microphone right here. I'm guessing.
Oh.
There's the clamps.
Is that upside down? That's right side up. Huh? That's how it's gonna be.
Yeah,
oh, interesting.
like this. And then this is how you power it.
You got like a mini USB. You have the AVN. That's usually for an extra camera. There might be an extra camera in there. Looks like a TF micro SD card, and then the GPS antenna. Dude, this looks good. This looks like my Tesla mirror, where it has that blue tint to it. Oh shoot, that'll work.
So, oh yeah, it does come with another backup camera right here.
Cool. So wherever you want to hang this, just in case someone hits you from the back, and then says.
Cloth. This is how you power it right here.
Cool. So I wonder. I don't really see a display in here, so it'd be kind of interesting on how it is. Is it the whole width of it? Because that would be pretty nuts.
No way.
Traditionally, some other ones, they usually just have like a little block right here. So it'd be really cool if it's the whole display, and I believe it is, judging from the art.
All right, let's plug it in.
It's a big boy.
Yeah, that's big.
Alright, so we just plugged in the AC adapter. You want to just try mount it for now?
Alright, yeah.
Use the rubber little thingies.
So, how do you mount this? Just put it in the back and then strap it on?
Yeah. There's like certain levels on how tight you want it.
Okay.
So we're just hooking it up, kind of like your bike light.
This one.
Oh, you want to usually do that after.
Should we have it like this or the other way?
I think it's probably like the other way better.
Right.
No, the other way.
The camera on the right or left?
Is it supposed to be on the? I think it's supposed to be on the left.
Alright.
Jeez, that looks sick.
Alright, it's not that snug right now, but I'll
just doing the little test fit. Yo, it looks massive.
Right, yeah, it's way bigger than.
You have less blind spots now.
Alright.
You can usually buy something like a tuck right here, but probably tuck the wire and get like black tape or something like that, and then we'll draw it all the way over here. There's also a plastic trim piece my Subaru came with. Alright, let's fire the car up.
Oh yeah.
Damn, do y'all see this right now? Yo, what is this whole? Let's take this thing out because we live on the edge. Pormido.
Whoa.
Whoa. It's blue.
It is all blue. Undetected camera.
Take the blue film off.
The blue film?
On the camera?
How is it?
Is there like a lens protector on it? No?
I actually... Oh yeah, I see it. There you go.
Okay.
Actually...
Did you take it out? It looks the same. Is there no... There's no...
Yeah, I see the blue film.
Because it's something like a blue filter on it.
Not attached.
Okay, there you go. Okay. Can you adjust this camera a little bit lower? Undetected rear camera, close. Wow, it really spans the whole width of the of the thing. I know it's probably really hard to see it, but so it is like the whole readout across the screen. That's nice. Why don't you go through the functions?
First button is the settings. So it looks like it records up to 1080. Loop recording 1, 2, 3. What does that mean? I don't really know.
That means if you have like a 16 gigabyte card and it's out of memory, it will delete the first video. So just keep on recording, so you don't have to keep on like switching out SD cards, deleting stuff. It'll automatically delete stuff for you.
Right, then it has sound record sound, of course, auto rec, event cycle, beep, image mirroring, clock settings, clock display.
You can push that at 60 hertz.
60 hertz. Oh, shoot. They give you 60. Parking monitoring. What is
Look at that.
High, medium, middle, low.
We're gonna have to look the manual at that. Just put.
I'm gonna put it on high, see what happens.
I think that's when it notices something comes like close to your car while your car's parked, and then let's say someone hits your car, or there's a person. It's kind of like Sentry mode on the Tesla.
So automatically.
So it starts recording. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So you're on high sensitivity right now. SD card, and we're gonna plop it in to access more features. Testing on the Pormido. That's
there you go.
SD card is plugged out.
Wait, SD card initializing done. All right, now it's recording right now.
Nice. So you're driving.
So I'm driving.
So it's just recording.
So it's automatically recording.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's cool. And then you're driving.
And then let's say I don't want to record. Just press stop.
What's that? Oh, wow! You can view right there. Not even the Tesla can't even do that.
Let's hear our voices. Okay, yeah, we can hear our voices.
It's pretty good.
Clear. Yeah. And then you can pause, lock, so you can save this, right?
That way it doesn't.
So it doesn't delete when it loops over. That's dope.
What's the other feature? So it's just locked pictures.
Yeah. Let me.
It's recording again.
Let me go back. So it automatically records when you go back to the home screen. Looks like. Let's look at the other playback features. No file. Okay, this is like image. What is this right here?
For the rear camera, front camera.
Yeah, I guess so.
Let's plug in the rear camera, so we can just unlock more.
I think you have it.
Oh yeah.
All right. Here we got the rear camera. Looks nice.
How are you gonna plan to mount that? Right there. Oh, where does that even plug into?
How do you plug this in? Looks like they give you this.
Oh, okay.
So
yeah, it's an extension.
So where would I mount this though?
Probably in the back somehow. That's a pretty cool project to do. This probably turns it on remotely. I've installed Android head units like this one right here, and usually there's extra wires for power. Like when you turn your car put your car in reverse, it automatically flicks it on, but hopefully, I don't think we're gonna need that for this case. Looks like you have a project to do.
Yeah, that'd be kind of fun. Looping this entire wire all the way in the back.
Should be pretty easy.
AVN?
Yeah.
Alright.
So
the warning is gone now. I think you could see. So it works perfect.
Yeah, so you can just mount it right here. I'm just kidding. Actually, I mean, if you're lazy, you could literally just mount it somewhere like right here too. I mean, this is just a temporary spot. So we're just gonna mount it right there just to test.
So is it recording both front and rear cameras right now? Let's press play. No file. Let's see.
I think you're looking at the log files right now. Oh, you're looking at images.
It still has. What's this?
So as soon as we plugged it in, it's I did that on purpose.
Alright. So yeah, it starts. Oh, there it is.
So that's the front
That's
camera.
the front camera.
Sorry, I mean in real life you can actually see the image a lot better than on the camera.
Yeah.
Camera, there's a lot of reflections going on.
Yeah. All right, and then let's see this button right here.
So you
So
can
this is
swap
the
it. Oh.
Oh, you can see both of us at the same time. That's pretty dope.
Yeah, depending on how you mount this camera too, it might be able to help you reverse park or something.
That is
Just another angle.
that is insane. Okay, and if you want to take a quick snapshot,
Yeah. So let's say someone just hit and run you and they're about to take off. You can take a picture real quick, and yeah, instead of looking through a bunch of video.
then this last button is to lock all the files that are recording right now, so it doesn't get deleted.
Yeah, wow, I'm really impressed with this Pormido. The quality is really nice. It's a little bit undersaturated, but because it's undersaturated, you can see a lot of things more, so it's like clear to see. And there's more information. Where if it's saturated, like blacks would be too black or highlights would be too bright. This way, you can up the contrast, and later in post, or just you can see things better. So yeah, so that's a pretty cool stuff. Anything else? We got the GPS.
GPS. I'm probably not gonna use the GPS.
Some other mounts right here for the back.
Little stickies for the camera.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's straightforward. That was really easy to set up.
Is there a GPS in here? Antenna? There is the GPS plug on top, but I don't think you would need that. I don't think it's in the box either. But I'm a big fan of how it looks and stuff like that. And yeah, I think it's awesome. If you do the wired tuck nicely, it's gonna look seamless. And now you have a dash cam, and when someone steps into your car, they'll be like, holy shoot, that's crazy. So yeah, that's awesome. And yeah, if you guys were looking to buy this, I'll put a link down below on the Pormido. I'll have some videos showing of this clips right here if you guys wanted to see direct feed. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one.